Hello, home designers. Welcome back to the Coohom Interior Design Masterclass, Basic Level. This is Video 9, and in today's tutorial, we'll explore the Coohom interface for opening different types of new project options. So, let's get started. In the previous video, we learned how to open a new project. Now, let's take a closer look at the different options Coohom provides when starting a project. When you open a new project in Coohom, you'll see several options. Draw floor plan. This allows you to manually draw a floor plan, whether it's a small project or a big one. It works just like drawing on paper but in digital form. Import. Here, you can upload an image or a CAD file of a floor plan. This is especially useful if you already have designs from another source. We'll cover this in detail later in the course. Search floor plan. This option lets you browse pre-designed floor plans by simply searching for a room or a style. It's a quick way to get started if you don't want to create from scratch. Template. At the bottom, you'll find ready-made floor templates. These are great for practicing and experimenting with layouts. Style. This option provides complete house designs in different themes like modern, American, and more. It's a helpful way to explore fully furnished spaces and get inspiration. My Designs. On the right side, you'll see your own saved projects. This is where all your previous designs are stored for easy access. In the next video, we'll open one of these options and learn how to use it step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with all upcoming lessons in this masterclass. And remember, you can get 73% off on all coohompro subscriptions using my exclusive promo code HOMEDESIGNER. And also, you can get 10% off on all Coohom Elite Plan subscriptions using my exclusive promo code HD Elite, valid from August 13th to August 24th. So just click the link in the description to grab the deal. I'll see you in the next video. Happy designing!